Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Autoback crash problem on the application of Pokémon Go. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Pokémon Go and you click here as you see. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.